With a story that a lot of people are talking about tonight, one surrounding a retired NFL player and former Baltimore Raven Michael Oher. Now, Oher, you know who he is, the subject of the 2009 hit movie The Blind Side, and now saying that story inspiring the film was a total lie.
That's right. WJZ sat down with Oher that same year along with Sean and Leanne Toohey, the family that took him in. Oher has now filed a lawsuit against them, alleging he was tricked. Our new multimedia journalist Janae Reese spoke with a lawyer to break down some of the legal implications of the case.
Former and retired Raven Michael Oher blindsided in an alleged lie. Oher filed a petition Monday saying instead of legally adopting him, Sean and Leanne Toohey filed a conservatorship. According to the 14-page filing from a Tennessee court, Oher alleges he was tricked into signing the legal papers. We sat down with Adam Ruther, a Baltimore attorney. He says adoption and conservatorship are designed to do different things.
Adoption is about agreeing to have a parent-child relationship and a court ordering a parent-child relationship. Conservatorship or guardianship is about one party having control over another, usually when the person is not able to control or manage their own affairs by reason of some infirmity or disability.
In February, Oher learned the papers he signed were actually conservatorship papers granting Sean and Leanne Toohey guardianship, which gave them control of all his contracts and legal authority to make business deals in his name.
Conservatorship or guardianship is designed to make it so that one person can make decisions for and control another person's decisions and behavior and money and resources. When adoption, particularly when it's between adults, doesn't necessarily do that.
Now Oher is suing to end the conservatorship to stop the Tooheys from using his name and likeness, which includes a share of the money they earned from the award-winning 2009 film.
And so that's what Mr. Oher is complaining about here, is that he was told, he alleges, he was told that an adoption wasn't an option. And so this relationship would be that same kind of relationship, when in actuality, what he alleges the Tooheys got was a much greater degree of control over his decisions well into his adulthood than parents would have had if they had adopted him.
And Rick and Nikki, the Tooheys did issue a statement earlier today called by Oher's allegation. They called it shocking, but they are going to continue to honor him and to talk with him as when they first met him. It is worth noting he spent most of his NFL career as a Baltimore Raven and won a Super Bowl with the team back in 2013.
It is a complicated story, I know.
Exactly, and it's just hard to really digest. However, we would love to welcome you, Janae Reese.
Thank you.
This is easy to digest. We're happy that you're here, and you are back home as well.
Yes, I am. I was born here in Baltimore City. I have family all across the city and county, so I know they're watching. Hey, guys, thanks so much for supporting me and getting me here today, and thank you to you guys.
Yes, so happy to have you on the team.
Thank you.
Absolutely.